Hey everybody, just want to thank the sponsor of today's video. That is actually Michelin. They sponsored the video, sent me some tires for the new rims, so I want to say thank you to them. Their link to their social will be down below. Give them a follow if you can. Enjoy today's video, and we will catch you very soon. Skooliepalooza is coming up very, very shortly. Also, we're going to be doing a lot of projects on this bus as well as the mini Skoolie, so we will catch you shortly. Good morning, everybody. So I am just getting ready to leave Quartzsite to head into Phoenix to check out the new rims and hopefully get them put on today or tomorrow. I still need to get some figuring out done with that. Other than that, the most recent update is Wes is on his way here to the Ehrenberg Quartzsite area right now. I'll have to show you a video of what he has going on. He's had a lot of life changes happening, so be sure to catch you all up on him. But him and I agreed on an hourly rate working on these projects throughout the spring. So finishing up projects with this bus as well as building the mini Skoolie. We're going to be working together on all that. Just going to be paying him for his help with that. But other than that, that's about all that's been going on here. I've just been sitting in front of the computer, scheming on some new projects, trying to get things lined up. One of the biggest things I've learned working for myself is the projects that you're working on. This isn't related to Wes. This is like more of other business ventures that I'm trying to collaborate on. When it's your business, it's your baby. It's not other people's baby. You know what I mean? So just been waiting on stuff to get in, trying to maneuver all that stuff. It's been very interesting, but I'm not necessarily upset about it. I'm just looking at it as a learning experience. I need to know this and keep that in mind as I move forward. But other than that, just getting the bus situated, set up. I've noticed since I got back from Indiana, I have been keeping the bus a bit more clean, and I think that's a lot easier just with the upper storage up here as well as over here. Just with all my camera gear, when I'm done with it, I'm able just to throw it up there. It's good to go. And then also the storage back here, this has really helped a lot as well. I've been able to maneuver a lot of stuff into there, and the goal, I'm actually considering a couple things. Like I said before, I wanted to keep this a 2 fuel source vehicle, so propane and diesel. I'm almost getting close to the point of just getting a Honda or a Predator generator, just running off gas and have that extra gas can. The reason why I bring that up now is I was going to keep it down in the bay to the side, basically move all my tools into the storage back there, get rid of, like, basically do another purge, drop it off at Goodwill. Stuff that I use, but I don't use that much. Just get rid of it, give it away at Skooliepalooza or whatever, and put the generator down there, and that way I have a backup power source. Aaron and I from Broccoli Bus, they're parked behind me. We've been kind of looking at my system. I haven't been getting that much solar in, so we don't know if it's solar panels itself, if it's something with the charge controllers. Need to get that figured out, but I've realized just having that backup power, not even having the engine hooked up yet, because again, the engine only charges half the time with those lithium batteries, 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off. So just having a straight 3,000 watt generator to pump up the power anytime I need it, instead of, you know, playing this power game. Because once again, that water heater, I haven't turned the water heater on since I've been back. So basically what I've been doing is I'll go on a run for 2 or 3 miles, and while I'm still hot and sweaty, I will get the Mr. Buddy heater, just throw that guy into the bathroom, let it sit in there for 2 or 3 minutes on high, and take a very, very cold shower, because it gets down to like 40 at night, and that water stays around 40 degrees. So it's a very spirited and quick shower when I shower now. But one of the projects I might be working on with Wes is actually taking out that electric hot water heater, cutting a hole in the side of the bus here, as long as I need to double check all the wiring, make sure we're not cutting into any of the 110, but actually doing a typical 6 to 10 gallon propane water heater. Like I've said it before, in summer, that electric water heater is awesome. Be able to heat my water from the sun, you know, just through that water heater, but it's just not working during the winter. So projects. So I'm going to finish getting this bus set up, and then we're going to head into Phoenix, and I'll actually show you the picture that the rim guy sent me. So he just sent me pictures of the rims saying that they're done and good to go. I am super stoked to see these in person and get these on the bus. One last update. Wes and I talked about taking the mini Skoolie and starting building it out there at Skooliepalooza, but what I've actually thought about doing was just working on this bus out there. So Skooliepalooza has an area where people are able to work on other people's rigs. So I was thinking about seeing if I can get a couple people to help me get this thing prepped for paint, and then I still need to talk to Tony, but actually take it to Tony's shop. He has a commercial air compressor, just spray it down real quick there, because the logistics of that, Wes and I talked about actually painting it out there, but with the dust and sanding it, and you have to wash it and then drive it on a gravel road back out there, and then it'll get all dusty again. It might be better just to prep it, get it ready out there, and work on some other fabrication projects, like maybe put in a commercial door for the bus, maybe weld on some underbay storage for propane tanks, maybe even throw the generator on. I don't know, but we're just gonna kind of go with the flow, see where we're at Skooliepalooza. Yeah, heading to Phoenix. All right, so we have a little bit of a plan. Made it back from Tony's, from picking up the rims. He's letting me use one of his trucks. We have 6 of the Michelin tires, who is sponsoring this video, by the way. 6 of those tires loaded up in his truck, and gonna drop the tires off, head back here, put the rims in the bus, drive the bus over and get those on today. I'm super excited, so see how it goes. Fancy. Just to give you an up close view of the rims, the dude that at that shop, he actually sanded them. Looks fantastic. Check that out. I am very excited. I can say for certainty, this is the first time that I've been excited about painting the bus. I mean, the bus just kind of is what it is. I kind of like the Mad Max look, but once I get these rims on, I think it's gonna be go time to pretty that thing up. All right, I am stoked. Zep II is starting to look a little classy. I am very, very excited to get this thing painted now. I have not been excited to paint this thing I know I said it before, but after seeing those rims on there, very stoked. So right now I'm gonna head back to AAA. I'm gonna see if I can get the truck, get the tires over there. Two of the guys from Tony's shop's gonna, they purchased my old tires. They're gonna break those down for me and hopefully get this all squared away today so I don't have to deal with it tomorrow. So let's get going.